Once upon a time, in a quaint village nestled amidst rolling hills, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily possessed a relentless curiosity, always eager to understand the world around her. One day, as she explored the village's bustling marketplace, she stumbled upon an old bookstore. Intrigued, she stepped inside, her eyes widening with wonder as she beheld shelves upon shelves of books, each holding stories waiting to be discovered. As Lily roamed through the aisles, a weathered book caught her attention. Its title read, "The Timeless Tales of Wonder." Entranced by the promise of enchantment, she gingerly pulled the book from the shelf and nestled into a cozy reading nook. As she turned the pages, Lily discovered tales of mythical creatures, magical lands, and extraordinary adventures. But one particular story captivated her imagination. The tale of an old sage named Alastair, who possessed the gift of unveiling wonder in the most ordinary of moments. Eager to learn from this sage, Lily embarked on a journey to seek out Alastair's wisdom. She traversed through lush meadows, crossed babbling brooks, and climbed winding paths until she arrived at the edge of a mist-covered forest. It was said that within the depths of the forest, Alastair resided, waiting to share his insights with those who sought the wonders of life. With trepidation and excitement intertwined, Lily ventured into the forest, guided by the whispering breeze and dappled sunlight that filtered through the foliage above. As she walked deeper into the woods, the atmosphere shimmered with an otherworldly glow. Finally, in a serene clearing, bathed in soft light, she encountered the sage, Alastair. His eyes sparkled with ancient knowledge, and a warm smile adorned his weathered face. "Lily, seeker of wonder," he greeted her. "What brings you to my humble abode?" Lily's voice quivered with anticipation. "Sage, Alastair, I yearn to understand how to find wonder in the simplest moments of life, to see the extraordinary in the ordinary." Alastair nodded, his eyes full of understanding. "Ah, young one, wonder is not merely found in grand gestures or extraordinary events. It resides within the depths of your perception. To unlock its magic, you must cultivate a spirit of curiosity and presence." Eager to learn, Lily listened intently as Alastair shared tales of his own encounters with wonder. He spoke of observing the delicate dance of dewdrops on a spider's web, marveling at the symphony of birdsong, and finding joy in the rustle of leaves beneath his feet. Intrigued, Lily asked, "But how can we cultivate this sense of wonder in our everyday lives?" Alastair smiled, his eyes twinkling with delight. "Wonder can be found by engaging your senses fully. Immerse yourself in the sights, sounds, and textures that surround you. Pause to appreciate the beauty of a blooming flower, the scent of rain on a summer's eve, or the taste of a warm, freshly baked pie." As Lily absorbed his words, a newfound clarity washed over her. She realized that wonder was not something to be sought outside of oneself, but a lens through which to view the world. It was a choice to embrace curiosity, gratitude, and presence in every moment. With gratitude in her heart, Lily bid farewell to Alastair and made her way back through the forest, carrying the sage's wisdom within her. Returning to her village, Lily became known as the harbinger of wonder. She shared Alastair's teachings, inspiring others to embark on their own journeys of discovery. Together, they reveled in the magic of everyday moments, finding joy in the dance of raindrops, the whisper of wind through the trees, and the laughter of children. And so, the village transformed into a haven of wonder as the collective spirit of curiosity and gratitude breathed life into the simplest of moments. With Lily as their guide, the villagers learned that the extraordinary was always present, waiting to be noticed and cherished. As the sun dipped below the horizon, painting the sky in vibrant hues, Lily continued her quest to unveil wonder in every corner of her world. And in her wake, she left a trail of awe and inspiration, reminding all who encountered her that, within the tapestry of life, the most extraordinary magic lies in the ordinary.